welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you most important general knowledge questions of the world. 30 most important questions of general knowledge about the world in history, frequently asked in competitive examinations, viva, job test of FPSC, PPSC, SPSC, UPSC, IES, ISS and others. I am Professor Qayum Mangi, College of Superior Services, Sakha. This is my phone number. And now let us to our topic. Question number 1 is, the first Olympiad was held in Greece in the year 776 BC. Number 2, Rome was founded in the year 753 BC, means before Christ. Number 3, the Great Wall of China was built in the year 214 BC before Christ. Number 4, the first voyage around the world was undertook by Magellan in 1522. There is also a state of Magellan in South America. Number 5, the first president of United States of America was George Washington. Number 6, which battle marked the end of Napoleon era? It was Battle of Waterloo. Number 7, the American War of Independence was fought between America and Great Britain. Number 8, Adolf Hitler was also known as Führer in the history. Number 9, the first woman in the world became the Prime Minister of a country was Siri Mao Bandra Naike of Sri Lanka. Number 10, the Emperor of Germany, who dismissed his Chancellor Bismarck in 1980, was William II. Number 11, the two presidents of United States of America were father and son. Their names were John Adams and Quincy. Number 12, the United Nations organization came into existence in October 1945 after the end of World War II. Number 13, the King of England before Elizabeth II was George VI. Number 14, Queen Elizabeth I ascended the throne of England in the year 1558 AD. Number 15, the Statue of Liberty of New York was a gift from France to United States of America. Hitler's secret service was also known as Gestapo. Number 17, the last emperor of Rome was Romulus Augustus. Number 18, Florence Nightingale was known as Lady of the Lamp. Number 19, Mao Zedong of China died in the year 1976 AD. Number 20, in 1806, the Holy Roman Empire was dissolved by Napoleon Bonaparte. Number 21, the country which celebrates Independence Day on 15th August apart from India is South Korea. India also celebrates Independence Day on 15th August. Number 22, the First World War ended in 1918 and started in 1914. The US president who was forced to resign due to the Watergate scandal was Nixon. Number 24. The Second World War ended in 1945 AD. Number 25. The first Communist Manifesto was issued in 1848 AD by Karl Marx. Number 26. The first Prime Minister of independent Kenya was Jomo Kenyatta. Number 27. Malenkov became the Soviet Prime Minister after the death of Stalin. Number 28. The first British Prime Minister was Sir Robert Walpole. Number 29. The French Revolution took place during the years 1789 to 1799 AD. Number 30. The British commander who surrendered before the Americans and French at Yorktown in 1781 was Lord Cornwallis. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself.